I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and it is a great day here at Discovery Community College in beautiful Nanaimo, British Columbia. Great conversations going on, learning a lot, and really enjoying being a part of this conversation here today. Dani, why don't you go ahead, introduce yourself, tell us what you do.
Hi, my name is Dani. I work in the community with elderly with dementia and Alzheimer's.
Dani, are you? What is your intersection with Discovery?
My intersection right now is I'm here as a nursing student. I was, as I stated, doing community work as a caregiver, and I kind of wanted to up my skills. So I came and I found it actually quite an easy process to get into this nursing program here.
Talk to me about that. So you made this decision somewhere along the way that, okay, I'm going to be a nurse.
Yeah.
And when did that decision process start?
Oh, goodness. It feels like a lifetime, to be honest, that I've kind of always wanted to be a nurse and be in this field where I can feel like I'm doing good and helping people. Mm-hmm. So it took me about 10 years of kind of like humming and hawing before I actually put my foot down and decided, yes, I'm going to do this. The reason why is honestly, I care, I give, and I just want to see it go towards, bettering people's lives or a family, or, it's something that I can do that others may not have the same skills or talents or fortune enough to have, right? So yeah. I like to be able to help what I can or do, yeah.
Dani, when you decided to, okay, I'm going to go down this path, talk to me about the initial interaction with Discovery, what that was like.
Oh goodness, it was great actually. I think I reached out to them about like 3 times before, and they never once ignored me. So they were always like willing and ready to help me. I didn't fully graduate my high school, so they helped walk me through the process of finishing certain aspects in my high schooling that I would need in order to be part of this course. And they were by my side the whole way, and it was super easy.
Yeah, it wasn't one of those things like, go get that done and then come back and see us.
No, and I had the advisor like email like all the time back and forth, right? He was beside me the whole step of the way. Any questions I would have, they would be answered. I never really felt alone.
What did it feel like never to feel alone in that process?
It felt great, especially going through the process of going into a college, because I found like I had no idea where to start, what to do, so I can imagine a lot of people probably feel that way. So to have somebody just, readily available and eager to help you and wanting to see you succeed, it makes that transition super easy and not scary to get started.
Yeah, it's a nice foundation from which to start with, isn't it?
It is.
How far into the program are you now?
I'm in my 3rd term. There's 4 terms, okay. So I'm coming up to the end of my 3rd term actually, and then I'm on to my last term.
So there's light at the end of this tunnel.
Yes. Right? Thought it would never come, but then thinking back on it, it's like, oh wow, where did the time go?
Right. Talk to me about some of your instructors. What have you learned from them and the experience that they bring to you?
Well, all the instructors here have been very helpful, very nice, and very inclusive with all the students here. They share all the knowledge that they have done, even some of mistakes, just to prevent us from doing it, right? And they're truly people, right? And you can kind of differentiate the nurse and the human when you talk to the teachers and stuff, which is really nice, because I kind of always thought that nurses knew everything and right, because we're supposed to, right? But it really humanizes them and kind of brings them to ground, and you're able to relate with them, and they're just trying to make sure you have the best outcome as possible, because we need nurses.
Yeah, we do need nurses. Dani, you're close now to going back into the field, to go back to work as a nurse. Do you feel ready?
I do. I feel ready. I feel excited. I can't wait to start. I can't wait to start getting paid. All right. But honestly, like just learning all these new skills that I've done so far have been, overwhelming, yes, but to know that once you achieve a certain skill, you feel good about yourself, and it builds your confidence, and then that obviously plays into being a nurse where you feel like you are competent, and I feel like the teachers have done a really great job.
You're not quite through it yet, but tell me so far, how has your experience with Discovery been?
It's been great, honestly. It's been fantastic. If I could, I would come back and do all my schooling here, right? Honestly, they have been super kind, very understanding, very helpful, very knowledgeable. Everybody that teaches us, they know what they're talking about, which is huge. It's just been such a pleasant time and experience, and I'm happy that I came here, you know.
Dani, thanks very much for being in the conversation, and thank you for what you're doing and about to do.
Thank you.
And more importantly, to be a nurse is a very important thing right now.
It is. Thank you.